Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to discuss about the Bank of Baroda, that is BOB Relationship Manager recruitment notification for the upcoming year 2022. Now Bank of Baroda has declared a notification recruitment of various vacancies in the relationship manager post, and all the eligible candidates who are sincerely looking for this kind of job can apply to this recruitment opportunity through the official website of BOB. The candidates must have an educational qualification of graduation from any recognized university or institute, and their age limit should be between the minimum and the maximum years as prescribed by the BOB norms. Now, job seekers who are willing to apply for this BOB online application form can visit the official website. Job seekers who are willing to apply through the BOB online application form have to visit the official website, and they need to download the official notification, and then they have to read all the instructions which are written in it, and then they have to fill up the online application form with the required details, and also they have to upload scanned photocopies, supported documents and other signatures and all. And they also have to submit and take a printout of the application form for future references. Candidates who are applying for this job through the application form, now after filling up the application form, after submitting it, you have to pay a minimum application fee. Now that application fee is rupees 600 for the general category candidates, and it is 300 rupees for SC, ST and PWD candidates as per the organization rules. Candidates who are selected will get the good pay band with all the allowance from the Bank of Baroda norms. Now, the entire process of getting shortlisted depends upon the performance of the candidates in the online examination. Then there is group discussion, then there is psychometric assessment and an interview. There are total 376 posts for which vacancies are going on, and you have to visit the official website for knowing more details. That is www.bankofbaroda.co.in. Now the age limit or the criteria that you need to fulfill, or you should be in the age group between 24 years to 35 years if you want to apply for the senior relationship manager, and if you want to apply for the e-wealth relationship manager, then you should be between 23 years to 35 years. Now, candidates who will be selected will get all the good pay band with all the allowances from the Bank of Baroda. Now, a bit of work experience is required for both the posts. For the senior relationship manager, you need to have a minimum of 2 years of experience as the relationship manager in wealth management with banks, and you should be capable of talking in any kind of local languages also. For e-wealth relationship manager, you need to have a minimum of 1.5 years of experience as relationship manager in wealth management with banks, or you can also have 1.5 years of experience in deals or administrations of high value monetary items through computerized medium. Now, online application is already out. People are already filling it up, and the last date for this application form is on 9th December 2021. So you should be filling up fast, and then you will have to download the call letters which you will receive after 1 month, almost after 1 month. Now let me help you out with the process of applying online. Like, how will you find the application form, where will you find it, how will you apply it? Step by step I'm going to tell you. Now candidates have to visit the official website of Bank of Baroda, that is www.bankofbaroda.co.in. Then you have to go to the recruitment section. You have to search BOB PGDF Relationship Manager Recruitment 2022. You have to search this. Then you have to download and check the eligibility criteria from the notification PDF. Then you have to click on Apply Online. Next, you have to fill in the required details which is asked in the BOB Relationship Manager application. Then you have to submit the application form, pay the application fee in the prescribed modes which I have told you, that is online modes you have to pay. After that, you have to download the Bank of Baroda Relationship Manager application for further references. It is recommended that you take a printout of everything that you are doing, that is of the application form, of the receipt of payment, everything you take one printout at least. So if you want to prepare for this examination, then you need to have a strategic planned study. Now that can only be possible under the guidance of a better mentor and a better coach. और हम सौरभ सिस क्लासेस में आपको वही मेंटर प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारे यहाँ पे रेगुलर क्लासेस होता है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, रिवीजन क्लासेस, मॉक टेस्ट फैसिलिटीज, क्रैश कोर्सेज एंड स्कॉलरशिप फैसिलिटीज ऑल्सो. एंड अगर आप लोग हमारे यहाँ पे एनरोल करते हैं तो आप लोगों को हम रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स की पोर्टल एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जो लेक्चर्स आप जितना बार चाहे व्यू कर सकते हैं जब आपका मन चाहे. एंड हमारा जो सॉल्व स्टडी मटेरियल्स है वो आपको अमेजोन और फ्लिपकार्ट में ऑलरेडी मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर आप हमारे यहाँ से ही डायरेक्टली खरीदना चाहते हैं देन डू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. वहाँ पे हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स दिया गया है, हमारा वेबसाइट लिंक दिया गया है. डू विजिट ऑल दोज एंड डू कॉल अस सो दैट हम आपके सभी डाउट्स को क्लियर कर सके. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, हमारे यहाँ पे सभी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए और सभी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए हम कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अगर आपको किसी और एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन लेना है देन ऑल्सो यू कैन एनरोल इन आवर क्लासेस. So that was all about our classes and also about today's discussion of Bank of Baroda recruitment. That was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.